Hello, everyone. Thanks for being here. If you're new, a warm welcome. And for those who've already subscribed, a big thank you. Your support means a lot to me. I have discussed the various immigration programs available in Quebec. It's important to know that Quebec is unique in Canada because it only uses French as its official language. While knowing French can be helpful, it's not always a must for immigration. Quebec carefully chooses skilled workers based on its specific needs and goals. There are various immigration programs available to fit different situations. Today, let's focus on the Quebec Regular Skilled Worker Program. This is the primary immigration program for skilled workers in Quebec. The exciting part? You can begin your journey to move to Quebec without needing a job offer. Whether you're already in Quebec or living somewhere else, this program is made for skilled individuals looking for new opportunities in Quebec. So, no more waiting. If you're ready for this adventure, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. About the Regular Skilled Worker Program. The Regular Skilled Worker Program, or RSWP, is tailored for those aiming for permanent immigration to Quebec for employment purposes. If you're considering making Quebec your home and possess the right qualifications, this could be your gateway to a new life. Expression of interest. To kickstart the journey, express your interest in moving to Quebec for work. This is a straightforward and free online process. You don't need to submit any documents initially, and it's valid for 12 months from the submission date. But, of course, there are conditions. You must be 18 years or older, intend to live and work in Quebec, and have the capability to perform the job you plan to work in. The expression of interest form covers a spectrum of information: personal details, contact information, family situation, status in Quebec, education, work experience, language proficiency, and more. It's a comprehensive snapshot of who you are. One intriguing feature is the option to allow Quebec companies to view your profile in the employer portal, potentially opening doors to job offers. How to complete your expression of interest. So, you've decided to make Quebec your new home through the Regular Skilled Worker Program. Let's walk through the essential steps to successfully complete your expression of interest. Ready to take the plunge? Follow these steps to complete your expression of interest. Create an account on the Arrima platform, fill out the form, provide accurate information, and get ready for the next steps. Create an account. Begin by making an account on the Arrima platform. This is your entry point into the application process. Complete your expression of interest form. Once your account is set up, fill out and submit your expression of interest form. Remember, you have 90 days to finalize and submit it, so take your time and provide accurate information. The details you provide in your expression of interest will be crucial for your permanent selection application. Double-check and ensure all information is accurate and up to date. Supporting documents. After submitting your permanent selection application, you will receive a personalized list of documents to submit. Keep an eye out for any additional requirements, such as the attestation of learning about democratic values and Quebec values. Paying application fees. Starting from January 1, 2023, processing fees are applicable. Here's the breakdown. Principal applicant, $869. Spouse or common law partner, $186. Each dependent child, $186. You have 30 days after submission to pay these fees in full, in Canadian dollars, either by yourself or a third party. Remember, these fees are non-refundable. Processing times. Most applications are processed within 6 months, starting when the ministry receives your complete application with all necessary documents and fees. If your application is incomplete or requires interviews, it may take a bit longer. Invitation to apply. After expressing interest on Arrima, your profile enters the expression of interest bank. If your profile aligns with Quebec's needs, an invitation to apply for permanent selection may be extended. Criteria such as human capital, labor market needs, and government priorities play a pivotal role. It's crucial to self-assess using the tool on the Quebec government website to estimate your score. Remember, the score is informative and doesn't guarantee an invitation. Looking ahead to 2023, changes are afoot. Starting June 2023, those declaring a Level 7 oral proficiency in French may be invited. Exceptions are made for those with validated job offers outside the Montreal metropolitan community. Decisions. After a thorough review, there are 3 possible outcomes. Selected, if you meet all requirements and no interview is needed, you will receive the Quebec selection certificate and instructions for the next steps. Refused, you will be informed if your application is refused due to unmet conditions or missing documents. You can improve your application by providing the necessary documents within the deadline. Rejected, your application may be rejected for various reasons, but don't worry. You can respond within the deadline with evidence to contest the rejection. Adding or removing family members, things change, and that's okay. You can update your application by adding or removing family members through your online file. Just keep in mind that additional fees apply if you add a family member, and fees are non-refundable if you remove someone. Family members over 18 must obtain an attestation of learning about democratic values and Quebec values unless exempted. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on navigating the expression of interest process for the Quebec Regular Skilled Worker Program. As we wrap up, it's important to note that the tips and information shared here are meant for learning purposes only. While they're based on careful research and real experiences, remember they're not legal advice or representation. Immigration laws can be complicated and may change, and everyone's situation is different. Keep in mind that each step you take gets you closer to the possibility of calling Quebec your new home. I hope this info guides you in your journey to make Quebec your home. If you're curious about other Quebec programs, stay tuned for more videos. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel for more useful content on immigration, visas, and travel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for being here today, and best of luck on your exciting journey. Until next time, take care.